Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix CapCut insufficient storage. If CapCut is showing an insufficient storage message, don't worry. In many cases, this happens because temporary files and old saved projects are taking up space inside the app. In this walkthrough, we'll go through a simple cleanup process directly in CapCut so you can free up storage and get back to editing smoothly. Start by opening the CapCut app on your device. Once the app loads, let the home screen fully appear so you can clearly see the available options. This is where you'll begin managing the storage used by the app. Next, move to the top right area of the screen and click on the Settings icon. This will open the app's Settings area, where CapCut keeps options related to storage, cache, and other app preferences. If you don't immediately notice the right option, just take a moment to scan the menu carefully. After that, click on Settings. This will bring you into the section where you can manage internal app data more directly. The goal here is to locate stored files that are safe to remove without affecting your ability to use the app normally. Now look for the cache section. In that area, click on the Delete icon. Clearing the cache helps remove temporary files that CapCut has stored over time. These files can build up quite a bit, especially if you edit often or preview lots of media. Deleting cache is a quick way to recover space and is often enough to reduce storage issues right away. Once that's done, go back to the CapCut home screen and look for saved projects. This section contains projects that are stored locally on your device through the app. If you have older test projects, unfinished edits, or files you no longer need, removing them can free up even more space. From there, right-click on the sample project. This should open a small menu with additional options related to that project. Be sure you've selected the correct project before continuing, especially if you have multiple saved items. Then click on Delete. This removes the selected project from CapCut and helps clear local storage. If that project is no longer needed, this is a straightforward way to make extra room for future edits and exports. After completing these actions, CapCut should have more available space to work with. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other unused saved projects. That's it for this guide on how to fix CapCut insufficient storage.